Alright, so today is the day where I finally declutter our messy closet. I first and foremost want to warn you guys that this is going to be a judge-free zone, because what I'm about to show you guys, it's something that I've been keeping for a long time. This right here is supposed to be our coat closet, but we keep it as our messy closet, or basically like the closet that has everything, but it's supposed to be organized. And Eric actually installed shelves here when we moved, but it's been a hot mess ever since we moved. So today's a day where I'm going to be fully decluttering, getting rid of things because it's just too much. Let's show you. This is what it looks like. I know. Starting on the top, we have some protein, some vases. This is like fill-in cotton for pillows, blankets. If you look at it, I actually tried to keep it organized with the bins and stuff. So I do have bins. It's filled with things that, number one, don't go inside. Like, they are labeled. Some of them are labeled, but they're all filled to the brim with things that we no longer need and aren't organized. So I am going to be getting everything out and then showing you guys how I'm going to be decluttering and making piles as always. Closet has been cleared. The shelves, like I mentioned, this one and these down here, Eric installed them when we moved. These are from Home Depot. I'll link them down below for you guys. They're actually really sturdy. We ended up getting the measurements and then cutting them to the size, so that's why like this right here has an off look to it compared to this side, but it does the job and we truly love this. So hopefully we can make the space work a lot more than what it was. Now on to reality. This is what our living room is currently looking like. So I took everything out. As you can tell, everything is like mixed match. It's not by category at all. So that's what I'm going to be working on right now, just decluttering and getting things by category and adding labels to every single bin. So yeah, that's what this looks like. My little vases collection. Some canvases for paint nights that I no longer have. More stuff over here. We have all the cleaning stuff right here. Some planters and like gift bags and stuff. But now I'm just going to vacuum this, spray it down and clean it, and then declutter the rest. Alright, so after disinfecting and cleaning the surface, you guys know that I like to make different piles when it comes to decluttering. So I make a keeps pile, a like giveaway pile to friends and family, and throwaway pile. Right now I'm just going to be getting rid of anything that's expired in this nuts bin. And then for my blankets, I am going to be getting them all together by brand. That way I don't have any like missing pieces and stuff like that. I cannot be the only one that has like random remote controls and plugs that you don't know like what it belongs to. What do I do with this? Quick tip when storing linen, blankets, or towels, I highly recommend to get dryer sheets and fold it with the dryer sheets. That way when you get them out, they feel fresh and clean. And then to store them, I like using these vacuum sealed baggies, which help a lot when it comes to storing things and saving up space when you live in an apartment.
Outside my window, is everything pale and cold? Can't seem to pick up my phone. It's been ringing all day long. Behind these clouds, I know the sun will be, but today's raining, so be patient with me. I'll be right. Somehow I must be somewhere the sky is blue. I'm too tired to sleep, too tired to do anything else than doing nothing. I'm too tired to rest, too tired, I'm blue. Can't do nothing else than doing nothing. Inside my room, the heat's like a warm embrace. My bed feels like heaven. I lose track of time and space. Behind these clouds, I know the sun will be, but today.
And here is the finished look, all organized. I cannot believe that everything now has its place, but let me go through everything with you guys so you can get a gist of how we organized it. So starting from the top, again, the shelves are from Home Depot. I'm going to be linking it down below for you guys. We have some extra vases all the way on the top, protein powder, hand mixer, flower pots, or plant pots, better said, my YouTube plaque box, and then some canvases back here. Next we have this gym bin. By the way, as you can tell, there's two different styles. So like the ones that don't have the handle here, but I got all of these at HomeGoods, HomeSense, and TJ Maxx. They were selling these around the fall time last year. Hopefully they still have some, but they always have the best organizing bins in my opinion and half the price. You can obviously find these for the full price at the Container Store or other stores. I'm going to try to link the actual one down below, but I labeled everything as much as I could with my label maker, which is in here, and that box is actually not labeled. These are some gym stuff like bands and stuff, some nuts like almonds, peanuts, stuff like that, beach towels, random stuff, screws right here, my back massager. These are the mats for when we do dishes by hand. Some extra hangers here. The tools are in here. Everything is not like extremely organized, but at least it has its place. This is the Brita Dyson /T bin. Battery, JBL, and extension. I tried to be as detailed as possible. Beach towels and random bed sheets in here. Reusable bags, as you can see. Pillow covers in here. This just has another beach towel and my label maker. and then some Christmas and towel stuff down there. This right here I got from Family Dollar years ago, but I'm sure again you can find it at Home Goods or any of those stores. And we have the microfiber cloths in here. And then all the way in the bottom we just have these 2 bins that I got from IKEA, and they're filled with plant stuff in here. Let me see if I can open it. But yeah, plant stuff in there. And then just shoved in this corner I have my mop and bucket from O-Cedar, our steam mop, another canvas, and our easel right there, as well as a umbrella. And last but not least, we have our Dyson stand where our Dyson goes. So yeah, that's pretty much our messy closet slash like storage closet. I hope you guys enjoy this organizing video. I will be linking as much as I can down below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.